Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the controller to the PC because a stable link matters. Plug in USB or pair via Bluetooth. Once connected, make sure Windows recognizes it. Check devices and printers or Steam's controller menu. Install drivers if needed. Manufacturer drivers for PlayStation or third-party wrappers for older controllers. You do this first so mapping tools will detect the device correctly, and because a repeatable, powered connection prevents input lag later on. You now map controller axes to pointer movement using software like Steam Input or DS for Windows. Choose one and open its configuration for your controller. Assign the right stick to mouse movement, then tune sensitivity and acceleration so small stick motions equate to fine cursor control. Map a face button to left click and another to right click. Optionally assign triggers as scroll or click and drag. Make sure to set a small dead zone to avoid drift. Then practice in a text editor to verify precision. You finish by refining profiles. Save separate settings for desktop, browsing, and games because each needs different sensitivity. Once done, enable toggle or hold modes. Choose toggle for casual use and hold to drag for precise selections. Test multi-button combos and macros if supported. They speed repetitive tasks. If you see drift or intermittent input, recalibrate the controller, reduce sensitivity, reinstall the mapping tool, and repair the device. One key tip: reboot the mapping software after changing Bluetooth profiles to clear stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.